The last step before removing the center console is disconnecting the console wiring. This is why we had to disconnect the battery earlier, because once we disconnect this connector and try and start the car, we'll get an airbag warning. No big deal if you forget. You can reset the airbag light on your own using the iCarSoft scanner tool, linked in the description. The center console wiring is inserted into the black plastic bracket at an angle. The tab at the bottom of the connector is inserted at about 45 degrees. The connector for the wires is stubborn. I had luck by removing it from the tab by rotating it and wedging a fingernail and separating the two connectors while pushing down on the left side tab, then wiggling on the right side while pressing down on the right side tab and rinsing and repeating, and wiggling it out. If you have difficulty, keep up at this step. Play around with getting fingernails in. Eventually, it comes disconnected. Leave a comment below if you need more help.